Now, over the weekend, it was Valentine's Day and it was a day filled with love. Now, somebody that actually had a great time on stage was Fantasia. Yes, the singer actually saw her husband who walked up to her and asked to marry her, re-proposed to her after 11 years of marriage. Now, it was a night filled with love, laughter, and good tears. Let's take a look at the video.
Many birthdays. Don't let me cry. I gotta be quick. And many Valentines, I share my angel with you. So give me some grace and share my life back with me. Just for a moment. Respect. I'm adoring you. God has been so good. So much, we prayed through so much, we fasted through so much. We're walking to a brand new home. But I can't walk into that home with you. One thing that I've learned as a man is that a good woman is always about the proposal. But a godly woman, she deserves one. Hey, bro, let me go. Chose me. For 11 years, you've been an incredible mother to our children. For 11 years, we fasted and prayed. So I'm going to give you a carrot for every year. You still by my side.
So it's official, Fantasia is getting remarried. Yes, after 11 years. Big congratulations to her. We can't wait to see how this unfolds. Well,